Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Hope you all are safe at home. Yes, no, children? So don't go outside. Yes, everyone, every day you should see your online classes, learn everything. If you have doubt, you should come for, while coming for correction, you should clear your doubts with me. Okay, children? So for all three sections, I'm taking, you know which subject, max. Yes, no, children? So I have completed perimeter and area, 4th chapter, unit 4. I have completed perimeter and area in the class. I have completed classworks also. So only for one section, I did not complete last month, I think so. So it's no problem. So today onwards, we'll start online class. So I'm starting lesson number 5, unit 5, time. Open your textbook, page number 141. And take out your pencil also, children. So in rough book, pen. So what I write on the board, points and all, you should write in your rough book, not in your classwork. Your classwork will be coming in PDF. Okay, children? Don't go out and play. Okay? Yes, take out your pencil and textbook. Time. You know to see the time, children? Yes, everyone know to see the time. If you learn tables only, I told always, if you learn tables only, you can do everything, multiplication, division. If you want to learn the tables, if you want to learn the time, which tables you have to learn, 5 answer tables. Yes, no, children? See, we'll start from 1. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This dots is there, no? It is a seconds. Yes, no? So, 1, if 5 ones are 5. The fast needle it goes, no, it is a seconds. Okay, it comes no here, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Here it comes 1 minute, 5 ones are 5 minutes. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. Like that up to 12. See, 5 tens are 50, 50 after 55, 60. So this is 1 minute, 2 minutes. So if it comes near 1 only, 5 minutes. Now, what is the time here for 12:30? It will be near between 12 and 1 it will be for 12:30. 30 minutes, it is near 6. So it is time is 12:30. You show, if afternoon means what? Night means what? Night means AM, midnight, AM. Afternoon means it is PM. Okay, so I'll explain briefly AM and PM. Okay, children? So let us recall the time shown by each clock. So now what the time? Small needle, it is near 4. And big needle, it is near 2. So what is the time? 5 twos are 10. So small needle, what number it comes? No, we should say the same number. Only the big needle will say 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are. Small needle will say the same time. 12 and between 1 means it is 12 o'clock only. After it reaches 1, no, it is 1 o'clock. Okay, children, after the small needle reaches near 1 means it will come slowly. After this 60 minutes only 1 hour. Yes, no? So what time between 12 and 1? It will be 12 only. 6 only, 5, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Yes, no, children? So some of the points I'll say. A day is divided into 24 hours. A day is divided into 24 hours. Yes, from night 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock, it is 12 hours. From night 12 to next day, it is 24 hours. A day has 2 parts. 12 hours each. The first part is AM. Yes, no, children, the first part, the midnight, it starts morning. From there, 12 AM. Morning, if you come to school, 8 AM, 9 AM. Afternoon, you have your lunch, no? That is, from that 12 o'clock, it will start PM. Okay, children? The second part is PM, the time between 12 noon. Afternoon, we'll say, no, it is not morning. Afternoon, you will have your lunch. From there, we'll say PM. So one day it has 24 hours. One day it has 24 hours. So at night 12 o'clock we'll say midnight, but it starts as AM. Afternoon 12 o'clock. when you have your lunch, no, but it is afternoon, that is not midnight. Midnight means you will go to sleep after your dinner, no, that one is called midnight. That is, it starts from morning, AM, 12 AM, afternoon lunch, it starts PM. So units of time, some of the points I'll write, no, just copy units of time. See, whatever I write on the board, just copy in your rough book, children, not all the sums. Which part it will be completed in textbook, keep the pencil. In the textbook part, you should write with the help of pencil only. In the rough book, what I write on the board, write it in your rough book. Just practice that sums. So PDF will be sent to you. You should complete your classworks. We'll say the date when you should come for correction. Okay, children? Some of the points I'll write. Units of time. 60 seconds. 1 minute for 60 seconds. After that, 3 needles will be. Small one is hour and big needle is minutes hand. Which moves fast, no? That we call as seconds. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 24 hours. 1 day. 7 days, you know that. Yes, no, 7 days, it's we called as 1 week. 30 days or 31 days. What it makes? The month will be changed. Yes, no, 1 month. 365 or 366 days. So the whole year we call as 365 days. When leap year comes, it is 366 days. So we called it as 1 year. 12 months, 1 year. Yes, some of the points I have written on the board, children. Just copy down, okay? See, 60 seconds. In the clock, 3 needles are there. Yes, no, 3 hands. Short hand, big hand, and 1 needle. It moves fast. That we call as 60 seconds. If it goes full round, it makes 1 minute only. From 12 to that small dots on the scale, how it is there, no? Same like that only. From there, it moves means 1 minute. So 1 minute, and next to that after 12, small 4 dots will be, and next it will come 1. So that makes here 60 minutes, make 1 hour. From 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, small hand comes, it makes 1 hour. 24 hours, from midnight to the next day, it makes 1 day. 24 hours makes 1 day. 7 days, you know 7 days. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. What days? You know, Sunday, Monday, yes, no, up to Saturday. So 30 days or 31 days. So you will change the date on the board. Yes, no, children. Every day you will write. What you will write when you come to school? Today the date is 12. Today the date. Every day they will change only this. Yes, no, children. We will change 1, 2, 3, 4. Every day will change. After 30 days. 1 month it comes 30, 1 month comes 31. Only February it comes 28 days. 4 years once we called as leap year. It comes 29 days. So after 1 month, see 30 days or 31 days, when it changes, we'll change this as 2. February. We won't change, we'll change the date every day. Only monthly once we'll change this date. Yes, no, children? Monthly once we'll change the month, not date. Every day the date will be changed. Here 365 days or 366 days. It makes 1 year. See, 1 month have 30 days, the next month 31, 30, 31, February only, it comes 28 days. So the whole year, the days if you count, 365 days. When leap year comes, it comes 366 days. It makes 1 year. So 12 months, you may, I know so many children don't know 7 days means what, 12 months means what. 7 days, days means you know, Sunday, Sunday, D-A-Y day, M-O-N-D-A-Y day. So these are all 1 week, 7 days, 1 week. So 12 months, months means you'll change the month, no, in the date when you write, no. So that we call as months, January, February, March, April. So up to December, 12 months it comes, it makes 1 year. 52 weeks. So you may think 365, 1 year ma'am gave, 12 months, 1 year, here 52 weeks, 1 year, 7 days in a week. So it comes 5 weeks in a month or 4 weeks. So total whole year, it comes 52 weeks. 52 weeks makes a 1 year. Week means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like that. 1 week, 2 weeks like that. 152 weeks makes 1 year. So for 10 years, see from 10 years, it makes 1 decade. We say 1 decade. 10 decades, it makes say 10, 20, 30, 40, 100. You know cricket while playing, if he plays, if he, what we say example, the cricket player, he bats the ball, no, it makes, if he bats no 100 century for 100 balls, he'll make 1 century here, like that only 10 decades, 10, 20, 30, it becomes 100. So it becomes 1 century, 100. So 100 days, 100 years only we'll say 1 century. 100 years makes 1 century. 10 decades makes 1 century. So copy these points, children. I'll give time. Just pause your mobile and copy this. Just I'll write 100 years makes 1 century. I told you no, 100 years makes 1 century. I told, see 10 years, 1 decade. So for 10 years, 1 decade means for 10 decade, 100 years. 100 years makes 1 century. 100 years makes 1 century. 1000 years makes, so you don't need that. 1000 years makes 1 millennium. 1 millennium. And 1000 years makes 1000 years makes 1 millennium. Okay. Let's copy down this, children. Just pause your mobile and just copy this. Yes, take out your textbook, page number 144. A small needle, it is near 4. Big needle, it is near 2. Big needle means it is a minute hand. Small needle, it is a hour hand. It is dash minutes past, dash o'clock. So what minutes past means before? Yes, no? So 10 minutes, that is 4 o'clock. Yes, no? 10 minutes past, we should write 10. First dash 10, second dash, it is 4 o'clock. Before 4 o'clock, 4:10, it is 4 o'clock past. Yes, no? So before 4 o'clock, it is, now it is the time is 4:10. 10 minutes past means it is 4 o'clock. So 4:10. It is dash, a small needle, it is near 9, big needle, it is near 12. So second answer, what it is? 9 o'clock. Second answer is 9 o'clock, B. C1, it is near 10 and 11, between 10 and 11. So the time will be 10 o'clock only. Hour and wherever it be, no 10 to 11, between 11 to 12, what number it is there, no, that one. After, see now 10 to 11 it is there. Say for example, See, 10 and 11 middle it is there, means it is 10 o'clock only. After it reaches, small needle reaches 11 and big needle comes near 12 only, it starts 11 o'clock. So the time now is 11, 10 to 11. See, it is 20 minutes past, 20 minutes to 11 o'clock. See, it is 20 minutes to 11 o'clock. Now the time is, exact time is 10:40. But if it is past means we'll say before what time. So if it is 10, it is 20 minutes to 10:40 time. Now 45, 50, 55, 60. For 20 minutes to 11 o'clock. Yes, after 20 minutes it will become 11 o'clock. D1, it is dash past dash o'clock. So what is the time now? 6:15. But it is past, before 6:15 it is 6 o'clock. Yes, no, it is 6 o'clock. Now the exact time is 6:15. Before it is past means 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, okay. It is dash minutes to dash o'clock. Now the time is, past means before what time? Yes, no. Now the exact time what it is? 6:45. But before minutes, it is 15 minutes to 7 o'clock. Yes, 15 minutes to 7 o'clock. The last one, it is dash past they are asking. Dash 8 o'clock. Now it is 8:30. Past means for 8 o'clock. It is 30 minutes past 8 o'clock. Before 30 minutes, it was 8 o'clock. Yes, no, children? This is exercise 1, you finished. Exercise 2, draw the hands on each clock to show the given time. The first one is 6:20. Yes, here the time is 6:20. The small hand shows the hour. Yes, no? This time it shows the minutes. So this is 6 o'clock. This is 20 minutes. So here the time is 6:20. The exact middle in the textbook is page number 142. It is like this. 6:20 means, see, it won't come near 6. It will move. Move little 6. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So near 4. See, this is big hand, this is minutes hand. Small hand will come slowly. After 1 minute only it will move. Yes, no, children? So here it will move like this. This comes 1 minute afterwards, it will move little. So it makes, come slowly. Okay, see here, small hand between 6 and 7. 6:20. Next is quarter to 11. Quarter to 11 means that 15 minutes past. Yes, no? Quarter to 11. It is time now is 10:45. 10 and 11 between you draw a line. Small hand. The big hand shows near 9. So it is 10:45. See here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Quarter to 11 o'clock. Quarter means for 11 o'clock. This is only quarter. See, this is quarter. This is half. From here, it quarter means from 9 to 12. For 11 o'clock, this hand will be here itself. So it is, time is 10:45. Draw a small hand here between 10 and 11. The big hand will be near 9. Third one, quarter past 4. Quarter past 4 means, see, time now is 4 o'clock. Quarter past, before 4 o'clock. So it is 4:15. Quarter means 1/4. Yes, no? 1/4 before 4 o'clock means, see, 4 quarter means 4:15. Small hand will be near 4. The big hand will be near 3. D1, the half past 10. It is 10 o'clock. Yes, no? Half past. Half means, you know, 1 and, see, this is quarter. This is half. Half past 10 o'clock means 10:30. Between small needle will be between 10 and 11. Draw a line, small hand there. Big hand means it should touch near the number. It should be near 6. It should be near 6. Big hand will be near 6. The next sum is 8:25. See here, 8:25 means how will you draw? 8. You will draw near 8 only. And like this, see if they draw same hand, it will be wrong, children. 825. See here. Between 8 and 9, the number should be, the line should be short hand. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The long hand should be, this is minutes hand. This should be great. Lengthy, this should be short hand. Okay. Next is 210. The small hand will be near 2. Big hand also will be near 2. See, I'll draw. Because, see here, small hand shows the hour hand. 2:10. See, this is 2:10. 2 o'clock I draw. 2:10 means 5:10. This, the length and also should go there. Now the time is 2:10. The time is 2:10. Okay. Now third main, fill in the blank. Third main, fill in the blank. The hour hand makes 2 dash rounds in a day. How many times it makes? I told midnight and afternoon. 2 times it will go. The first answer is, yes, take out your pencil, children. Page number 142. Third main. Third main, first one, 2. 2 times, 2 rounds a day. The clock makes 2 rounds a day. 1 hour dash minutes. 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 hour makes 60 minutes. See, small hand is a hour hand, short hand is a minute hand. 1 minute dash seconds. 1 minute makes how many seconds? 60 seconds. If this moves 1 time, the faster needle will move 1 time. So it will move 1 time only. Okay. So 60 seconds. 20 minutes after 9:05. 9:05. See here. Now the time is 9:05. 20 minutes means 5, 10, 15, 20. So after 9:05, 20 minutes, you should count from 9:05 only. See, now the time is 9:05. So it is 9:05 means 20 minutes after that means, see, you should not count near 1, 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 means the time is 9:25. The time is 9:25. 20 minutes after 9:05. They are asked the question after 9:05. 20 minutes means it will become 9:25. 10 minutes before 1:50. 1:50. See, the time is 1:50. This is small hand, this is big hand. The time is, you may think a big needle it is near 2, not 2. See, if this needle is crosses after 6, the small hand will move. Otherwise, it will be near that it is 1 o'clock only. So the time is 1:50. 10 minutes before 1:50, before means you should come. See, 5, 10. So the time is 1:40. The time is 1:40. Let's copy down this third main, children. First one, second one, third, fourth and fifth. As you copy down this note, children. Now, time in AM and PM. There are 24 hours in a day, but the clock shows only 12 divisions. As here, the clock shows 12 divisions. I'll draw and show you. Now, I completed exercise 1. Let's recall now. Exercise 2. Just I'll do it in the next class, children. See, the clock shows only 12 division. Yes, no, children? See, now 12 after so many for afternoon, we'll say 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So one day makes 24 hours. One day makes 24 hours. Yes, no children? One day makes 24 hours. But the clock shows us 12. But in some clocks, it will be like this, 24, 13, see, 13, 12 afterwards, 13. It starts from 1, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. One day makes 24 hours. The hour hand makes 2 complete rounds in 24 hours or one day. See, first from morning midnight, it comes afternoon lunch. The small hand, it starts from midnight here. At midnight, after you have your dinner, you sleep, no? The AM starts near 12 midnight. So afternoon, see, night, you will get up at morning 6 o'clock. You will come to school at 9 o'clock. You will have your lunch afternoon. It is PM. So one round it finish. Second round comes only, see, afternoon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, it is under PM. Yes, no children? So once again, the small needle comes up to 24, it makes one day. See, AM means 12 o'clock, midnight to afternoon. Night, midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, midnight, we call it as AM up to afternoon. Lunch you will have, no, up to there, AM. After 12 noon, we call it as PM. See, midnight, AM means 12 midnight. Up to, it starts from 12 midnight, we call it at AM, 12 noon. It starts PM. Exactly at 12 o'clock, it starts PM. Up to 11:55, we'll say AM. After 12, it starts, we'll say PM. Up to midnight. Up to night, 12 midnight. Up to 12 midnight. You may think PM midnight. No, 12 o'clock exactly, it starts AM. Afternoon, 11:55. Say 11:59, it ends AM. 12 noon comes means it is PM. Okay, children. Night up to 11:59. It is, see here, it starts afternoon now up to here 11:59. It is PM up to midnight. After 12, it becomes AM. So for the first round from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, we use AM, anti-meridian, to write the time. From 12 o'clock midday, lunchtime, afternoon, we call it as PM. It starts PM, post meridian. There is no AM or PM. Return it with 12 o'clock. We'll say 12 o'clock. Because exactly it starts here, no, afternoon. We won't write PM also, we won't write AM also. Okay, children? So, there is no AM or PM for 12 o'clock. We'll say only 12 o'clock, night or afternoon. Okay, children? So, exercise 2. I'll start in the next class. Here I'll end my class, children. Practice everything. Learn to see the time also. Okay, children? Thank you.